going the other way. Look at the lightning.
Oh, God, that's gorgeous. That has to be an F2, F3. I can't even tell where that is, if it's at the tree line or if it's in front of it.
Get up, get up, get up.
It keeps picking back up and putting back down. That's a quarter mile now.
How you know? Your phone?
No, I know how far that road is from the back of our house. We're idiots.
Well, I want to be able to.
There goes power. Oh my God. This is so cool. Sorry,
Yeah,
your video.
Tornado could call up anywhere else. That shit, oh my God.
Where is it though?
It's over, it's way on the other side of Robin Road, so.
That's not Robin, that's
Road.
Bush.
Oh, look, there's debris. Bigger. I didn't call them.
There goes a tree.
There went houses. That's something. That's debris.
Yep. Oh my God, Stacy, look at that. You know, these only occur in our part of the world.
Mm-hmm.
How much it sucks to be us. You can feel the house shaking.
Yes.
Yeah, it ain't coming towards us. Hail. Here comes birds.
It's huge on the other side now. Yeah.
Hey, Pat. It's beautiful.
Is it, you can still see the tornado?
You have no idea, Nikki. You have no idea.
Oh my God!
Look at it!
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Those are people's houses! Oh my God! That's a car! That is a car! There you go, Wes.
Here, come down.
Get down! Go down, Wes.
Careful, careful.
Where was it?